Alright, this video is here to help to show you how to access the data files so that you can go in and customize them for your region. Your region may decide that they want you to start using the new system too and then submit it to your regional contact. If so, this is what you want to do. Number one, you want to go to the TxTSA website, TxTSA.org, and you're going to want to go to contest. And you'll find the link. It may say 2012, it may say 2013, etc. That's fine. Just click here. And you'll find a little link here that says TxTSA Data 2013. Inside this, you're going to find a folder, and I'll have the videos embedded on how to do everything here. So I'm going to go to this folder, and it's going to pull up the 4 files that you're going to want. The one that you need is one, how to find your student member. You'll need the XYZ and the XYZ. This one is just a basic memo to send out to everybody. So for an example, I'm going to show you how to download it. So I click on the file, download, and my advice is always to make a copy, save, download to your desktop. So I'm going to my desktop. I'm going to create a new folder on my desktop. Example TxTSA file and save. And that's some instructions on how to get my student members. Same thing with this one. File, download, save. Save it to that same folder. Again, it's going to my desktop. My data files, file, or you can click on the little download button, file, download, save. And again, make sure it's going into that folder. Okay, and once you've done that, you've saved everything that you need to be able to do. Okay? So everything should now be in that folder. And then you can follow the directions on how to go in and how to customize, etc. What's most important for you, I really wasn't thinking, you really only need this. This is the main thing for you because your region contact person may want you to submit your data in a specific way. So you will need to go through and you will need to put your student's first name, their last name, what is your chapter number. Obviously, if you're doing this as an individual, it'll be all the same chapter number. Should be all junior high or high school. That shouldn't be hard. The hard part for you will be grade level, are they male or female, category number, student number, etc. Okay? So name, last name, first name, chapter number, yours should be all the same. School, junior high, or high school, yours should be all the same. Grade level will change according to student. School size should be all the same. Male or female will again change according to student. Category number will again change to student, and however many. You may have a kid with 1 entries up to as many. I've heard of students having as many as 45 entries. So every kid is different. Region number should be all the same. Student ID number is unique to that student. So all of Jane Smith entry numbers, that will be her ID number. All Jim Walker's, that'll be his. All right. Level 1, Level 2 should be the same in there for each one. And then once you've done, you save. My advice is once you have all yours in, let's say you have 61 entries, highlight what you don't need and delete those rows. Then you want to save this to your folder, and you would save it as your name of your school. So I wouldn't call it XYZ. I would, for an example, mine is Connor High School. I'm chapter 63. TSA state, and I would save it to that folder. And then I would email that file to my regional contact person. In my case, Brazos Valley, I believe that's still David Berry. So I send it to David, and then David turns around, and it's really funny. He sends it to me because I'm state contest director, but that's quite all right. And that's how you do it. It's very simple. You simply download it, go in, put your data entry, and send it to your person. If you want to play and you just want to learn how to do things, if you go through, there's videos there on how to do the mail merge. It's all there so you can see what it is that I'm doing. There is no mystery going on. It's out there in the open for everybody to see. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at any time at TxTSA.contest.director@gmail.com. Either myself or Jennifer O'Brien, Rachel Baxter and Jennifer O'Brien, we are state contest directors. We will gladly get back with you as soon as possible. Have a wonderful one, and we can't wait to see you at contest.